Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can refill your night vision goggles in Rust. So what you'll need to do is basically have a workbench level tier 2 at least, so you can have level 3 and that's pretty much it. So the level 1 will not work, you'll need to have level 2. So basically run to next to the workbench, have the in range, make sure it says that workbench level 2 near you, like it writes for mine workbench level 3 because now I'm in the sandbox. So basically click on this one and here you'll see the button refill and you will be able to refill your night vision goggles in Rust. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.